If you're a man over 65 and your legs don't feel as strong as they used to, you're not alone. Maybe standing up from a chair feels harder. Maybe climbing stairs takes more effort. Maybe your legs shake a little when you walk, or you feel unsteady turning around. But here's the truth most men never hear. Your legs aren't getting weaker because of your age. They're getting weaker because the muscles haven't been properly activated. And the good news? You can wake them back up, safely, right at home, in just 7 minutes a day. Strong legs mean independence. Strong legs mean confidence. Strong legs mean you stay in control of your life, not the other way around. Studies show that even after 70, men can regain up to 30% more leg strength with simple, consistent activation exercises. And that's exactly what I'm about to walk you through. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start getting your power, your balance, and your strength back. Let's talk about why this happens in the first place, because once you understand it, fixing it becomes much easier. As we get older, we naturally spend more time sitting. But here's what most men don't realize. Long sitting slowly shuts down the leg muscles. The quads, the calves, the hips, they stop firing the way they should. It's almost like turning off a light switch and forgetting to switch it back on. The second problem is circulation. After 60, blood flow to the legs decreases, especially if we're inactive. And when circulation drops, the muscles don't get the fuel they need. So they weaken even faster. But here's the good news. Muscles don't age the way people think. They mostly go asleep. And anything that sleeps can be awakened. With the right simple movements, safe, slow, and done at home, you can reawaken those muscles. You can get blood flowing again. And you can rebuild strength, no matter how long it's been. Before we jump into the main routine, we need to wake the joints and nerves in your legs. This part is gentle, safe, and incredibly important, especially if your legs feel weak, stiff, or unsteady. Think of this as turning the key in your car before driving. You don't go straight to full speed. You warm up the engine first. Let's start with seated ankle pumps. Just lift your toes up and push them down. This gets blood flowing to your calves and wakes up the nerves that help you balance. Next, go into gentle knee marches. Lift one knee, then the other, slowly. No rushing. You're telling your hip and thigh muscles, hey, it's time to wake up. And then, finish with slow quad tightening. Straighten one leg a little. Tighten your thigh, and release. This switches on the big muscles that help you stand and walk. These small movements may feel simple, but they're powerful. They prevent soreness, protect your joints, and make the rest of today's routine feel smoother and safer. Even if your legs are very weak right now. Now that your legs are awake and ready, let's move into the heart of today's routine, the 7-minute weak leg fix. We'll keep it simple, safe, and highly effective with just 3 exercises. Remember, it's not about doing a lot. It's about doing the right movements consistently. Exercise 1, chair sit to stand, or half stand for very weak legs. Sit comfortably in a sturdy chair. Slowly stand up using your legs, not your arms, then sit back down. Repeat 8 to 12 times. This exercise wakes up your quads and glutes, giving you power to stand, walk, and climb stairs. It also improves balance and circulation in your legs. Exercise 2, standing calf raises, holding a chair for support. Stand behind the chair, gently holding it for support. Lift your heels off the floor slowly, pause, and lower. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This strengthens your calves, which are crucial for walking, preventing trips, and boosting overall leg stability. You'll notice your ankles and lower legs feeling more alert and stronger with practice. Exercise 3. Supported side leg lifts. Stand sideways to the chair, holding for balance. Lift one leg out to the side slowly, pause, then lower. Do 8 to 10 reps on each leg. This works your hip stabilizers, which are essential for balance, side-to-side movement, and fall prevention. It also engages your core gently, improving overall stability. Remember, form is everything. Move slowly, control each movement, and breathe steadily. Even if your legs are weak now, consistency with these 3 exercises will help reactivate muscles, improve blood flow, and give you more confidence when standing or walking. Now that you've gone through the 3 exercises, you might be wondering, why does this actually work? Here's the simple science behind it. 1. Muscle fiber reactivation. As we age, some of the fibers in our leg muscles go quiet from inactivity. These exercises help switch them back on, making your legs stronger and more responsive. Think of it like flipping a switch that's been off for too long. 2. Improved blood flow. Every movement pumps more blood into your legs, carrying oxygen and nutrients to tired muscles. Better circulation means less stiffness, less soreness, and faster recovery. 3. Strengthening stabilizers around knees and hips. Exercises like side leg lifts and sit-to-stands target the smaller stabilizer muscles that support your joints. This improves balance and helps prevent falls, giving you confidence with every step. 4. Restoring confidence in walking and standing. As your muscles wake up and strengthen, you'll notice it in daily life. Getting up from a chair, climbing stairs, or walking around the house becomes easier. Even small improvements here make a big difference to your independence. Now, let's take a moment to talk about something just as important as the exercises: your mindset. It's never too late to start. Even if your legs feel weak today, you can see noticeable improvements in just days or weeks. I've seen men over 70 regain strength, balance, and confidence simply by committing a few minutes each day. Remember, this isn't about hours in the gym. Just 7 minutes a day, right at home, is enough to start reactivating those muscles, improving circulation, and getting your legs back. Consistency is key. A little effort every day adds up. And each time you complete these exercises, your legs are telling you, "I'm awake. I'm strong. I've still got it." So don't wait. Take control today, and remind yourself, age is just a number. Your legs can still carry you confidently through life. Congratulations! You've just completed the 7-minute leg routine. Now it's time to cool down and release any tension from your muscles. This part is just as important as the exercises themselves. It prevents soreness, helps your joints recover, and leaves your legs feeling relaxed and strong. First, let's do a seated hamstring stretch. Sit tall in your chair, one leg extended slightly in front of you. Keep your back straight and slowly reach toward your toes, but don't force it. You should feel a gentle stretch along the back of your thigh. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, then switch legs. This stretches the quads, hamstrings, and even your calves slightly, helping your legs recover after activation. Next, ankle circles. Lift one foot off the floor and slowly rotate your ankle clockwise, then counterclockwise. Do 10 to 15 rotations each way. This improves flexibility in your ankle joint, helps circulation, and keeps your balance sharp for walking and standing. Switch to the other foot and repeat. Even small movements like these can prevent stiffness that often comes after sitting or exercising. Finally, light knee hugs. Sit back comfortably, lift one knee gently toward your chest, hug it with both hands, and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Switch legs. This movement gently stretches your hips and lower back, relaxes tight quadriceps, and gives your legs a calm, finishing touch. Remember, don't rush these stretches. The goal here is relaxation and gentle recovery, nothing painful. Breathe slowly, feel your muscles releasing tension, and take a moment to appreciate the work you just did. By doing these cool-down stretches consistently after your exercises, you're telling your legs, "I care for you, I respect your strength, and I'm helping you recover." This habit will make the exercises feel even easier over time and help keep your legs strong and pain-free. Before you go, take a moment to let us know in the comments how old you are and where you're watching from. We love seeing seniors all around the world taking charge of their health and getting stronger together. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Wellness Secrets for more easy, safe, and effective home routines designed just for you. Your journey to stronger legs, better balance, and more independence starts here, and we're with you every step of the way.